जय हिंद दोस्तों, I am Yogesh Kahar from New Catholic Mission School Jhabba. Today we discuss about chemistry for 11th class students. Okay, today our topic is significant figure. So what is significant figure? Significant figure are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Okay, so first we clear that what is meaning of significant figure. Significant figure are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Every significant figure have two types of value. One is one is certain and second is uncertain value. Suppose I have one number, suppose 11.12. So the last value always is called uncertain value. Uncertain value, and starting remaining values are called certain value. Okay, clear? Every significant figures have two types of value. One is certain value and second is uncertain values. Clear? Some rules are there. So we clear that which number is significant and which number are not significant. First rule is, okay, I clear it first. Okay, first is all non-zero numbers are significant. Clear? All non-zero numbers are significant. Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 11, etc. are significant numbers. Then second rule is zeros between two non-zero numbers are significant. Okay, here we leave the zero. All non-zero numbers are significant, but if zero present between two non-zero numbers, so it's also significant. Like that, 2002. Here total significant number is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? If I mention here 0, 0, 1, so here significant number is only 1. Suppose, okay, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0. Here also significant number is only 2. Clear? Then if I mention one more example, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2. So how many numbers are present like that significant? So only 3 numbers are significant, 2, 0, 2, because our first rule is called it's a all non-zero numbers are significant. So it's significant, it not a significant numbers, but zero between two non-zero numbers are called significant. So it is a zero, but it present between two non-zero numbers, so it's called significant. So total significant number is 3. Okay, our third rule is zeros are present right side to non-zero digit with the decimal points are significant. Clear? If zeros are present right side to non-zero digit with the decimal point are significant. Decimal point, what is meaning of decimal point? You know that our book price is suppose 200 rupees. Every item like that price is 200.00. Everywhere point after point 2 digits are present, so its significant number is 1 2 3 4 5. Total number is 5, but I mentioned here 20000. So total here no decimal points are present, so here significant number only 1. Clear? I think no problem. Then fourth rules is in scientific notation. N value are significant. Okay, n value are significant. If I mention here 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, so 6.022 is a number of n values. So here total significant number is 4. 1 2 3 4 number are significant. If I mention here 1.0 into 10 to the power 2, so total significant number is only 2. Okay, I mentioned here 3, so no problem. 2, why 2 is significant numbers? Because 1.0 only 2 numbers are present in n values, so total significant is 2. If here total 4 numbers are present, 6.022, so significant number is 4. Clear? One more times we repeat significant figure. What is meaning of significant figure? Significant figure are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. Every significant figure have two types of values. One is uncertain and second is certain values. Okay, uncertain values change with the time, its variable values, and certain values always constant values. If I mention here 286, so this value is uncertain. Clear? And its variable numbers. Sorry. So its variable numbers and remaining numbers are certain. It means it is constant number. It is a constant number. Clear? Some rules are there for determination of significant figures. All non-zero numbers are significant. Remaining zero, all numbers are significant. It present in single words, double digit, single digit, triple digit. It's not a problem. But non-zero numbers are significant always. Like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 11 are significant numbers. If I mention here 0, 0, 1, so only 1 is significant. 0, 0, 2, 0, here only 2 is significant. It means total number is only 1. Okay, 2 is significant, so total significant figure is 1. Okay, then second, 0 between two non-zero numbers are also significant. 0 but present between two non-zero, so it's also significant. Okay, so here 2002, so 2 is significant, 0 also significant, 0 also significant, and 2 also significant. So total significant figure is 4. Done. Then next example is 00202. So it is a not significant because it's not present between two non-zero numbers. but this zero present between two non-zero numbers, so it is a significant figure. Significant number, and total significant figure is 3. I think you clear that what is meaning of significant and what is meaning of significant figure. If I say significant figure, so total number of significant present in a particular digit, है ना? In this digit only 3 numbers are significant. So I called this number a significant figure. Here 4, it means significant figure is 4. It means in this digit only 4 digits are significant. Clear? Then in next example, in rules, zeros are present right side to non-zero digit with the decimal point are significant. If I have some digits and in this digit one decimal points are present, so all right side 0 after the non-zero, if decimal point present any digits, any numbers, so all right side 0 are significant. Clear? Right side which after the non-zero. Clear? So I mentioned here 200.200. So 2 is non-zero and its whole numbers contain one decimal points. So all 0 are significant because all 0 present right side of non-zero numbers. Clear? So our significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So significant figure is 5. And here in this number, in this digits, no decimal points are present. So only 2 is significant. So 1 is significant figure. Clear? Then our next rules, in scientific notation, n value are significant. Only n value are significant. We not calculate in significant figure of with 10 to the power. Okay, 10 to the power is not our significant figure. So I mentioned here one example. Clear? First example is 1.0 into 10 to the power 3. So the value of n contain only 2 digits, 1 and 0. So both digits are decimal. Both digits are scientific notation. Scientific significant figure. And total significant figure is 2. In here 4 digits are present. So significant figure is 4. Clear? I have some example for you. You solve it and say how many numbers are present in significant figure. Okay? Just a minute. I remove. Come on. Suppose 3100. You write answer here. Only significant figure. Clear? You solve with me. I written some questions. You write here only significant figure. Clear? 1, 2, 3.208. Then third is 0.028. 0.02800. Then fifth is 91009.1. 0.0080. Seventh, okay, I think 7 example is enough. Okay, I think you already solved it, this problem. Okay, how many significant figures are there? So we know that all non-zero values are significant. Second rule, only 0. So if 0 present between two non-zero are significant. So decimal point are present? No. So third rule is not required for it. So only 3 and 1, 31 is significant. So our total significant number is 2. Clear? And here decimal point is present. So we use also our third rules, but no zero is present after the non-zero number. So only these zero, according to second rule, zero between two non-zero are significant. So total significant figure is 1, 2, 3, 4. So total number is significant figure is 4. Okay. Then decimal point also present here. So we use third rules, but no zero is present after the non-zero number. So here only two digits are significant. 2 and 8 are significant numbers. Clear? Then here no significant, no decimal points are present. So after the non-zero, zeros are not a significant numbers. Okay. Then 2, then 1, again decimal point are present. So total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is a decimal, significant figure. So here also decimal point are present. So 0, 0, decimal point 0, 0, 8, 0, 0. So these 0 are not a significant, but last 0 is a significant numbers. So total significant figure is 3. Done. Then 2.00100 also point is there. So these 0 is also significant. So our total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here significant figure is 6. Done.